Hello my dear student. Today we will talk about making predictions. So easy lesson, it's like the probability that we already taken before. Now I want from you to open your booklet page 205. Okay? Let's see the first example that we have today. Here he wants from you to use the following information at the table showing here. Okay, so the table here shows to us the favorite subject for students, and here he write for you the subject, and here he write for you the number of students that like this subject. Okay, so for example, language arts we have 10 students preferred, and for math we have 10, science we have 15, and social studies we have 5. Okay. So like we said before, to find the probability of any event, that will equal number of favorable outcomes over number of possible outcomes. In easy way, to find the probability of any event, you will make fraction. You will write in denominator in up number of what he asked, and in denominator you will write the total number. Okay. So let's see the first example here. Here he asks you, find the probability that any student attends school prefers science. So, like we said before, to find the probability of any event, all what we have, just make fraction. And here he asked about science. So let's see how many students prefer science. We have 15. So we will write 15 up. And down we will write the total numbers. So we have here numbers of students, but we don't know the total. So all what we have, just make plus. So you will make 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 5. And when you make plus, you will get 40. Okay? So that will be 15 over 40. You can leave it like this, or you can make it more simple. Because maybe in the exam, I need from you to find it in its simplest form. So let's think together. 15 over 40. How can I make it more simple? I will make a divide. But can you tell me I will make a divide what? Come on. Super, I can hear you. We will make a divide 5. So 15 divide 5 equal 3, and 40 divide 5 equal 8. Excellent. Now let's see question number 2. It's close to what we make in number 1. So let's read it to see. There are 400 students at the school. Focus here. He told you that before that we have 4 students. So that's new. So tell you have 400. So that's the total. So I will write it down. 400. Okay. Predict how many students would prefer science. We don't know. The table that we have tell us the total is 40. But here he wants to know what's the probability if we have 400 students. So we will let just the number of students that prefer science like X. You can write A, you can write Y, whatever you like, okay? And we will make that equal what? The number of students that prefer science equal 15. So I will write up 15. And down I will write the total of this, that was 40. Okay. To find the value of X, you have 2 ways you can find the value of X by it. The first one, we will make cross multiplication. How that? You will make 400 times 15 over 40. Okay? So that will be 400 times 15 over 40. To find the answer, let's make it in more simple, and that by cancel the zeros together. And now we have 40 times 15 over 4. You can cancel the 4 with the 40 and you will get up 10. So now we have 10 times 15, that's equal 150. So we have 150 students prefer science, okay? And you can find the answer in another way. How that? You will tell yourself the 40 became 400. The 40 became 400. That's mean I make it times 10, right? So like you do down, you will do up. So you will make up times 10. That will be 15 times 10. You will get 150. And you should know that in math, you can find the answer in more than one way. So maybe I told you a way and you have another way, or you know another way. It's okay. Use whatever you like. The important for me that you get the correct answer. Okay? Let's see the next. Now I want from you to open your booklet, page 206. Let's read this question together. For exercise 1 and 2, use the following information. So we will use this table to answer these questions, okay? He tells you that we have 250 students who were asked to name their favorite vacation spot. So here he helped you. He already gave you the total. The total here is 250, okay? The first question here, he tells you, find the probability that a person choose the park. So we will make a fraction. Let's see, how many students choose the park? The park, we have 70, so that will be 70. Over the total here is what? 250, right? Can we make it more simple? Yeah, we can. By make what? By yeah, super. We can cancel the zeros and we will get 7 over 25. Good job. What about the next one? Here he asks you, what is the probability that the next person will choose the page? Okay guys, now I will give you a minute. Come on, think about the answer. Then play the video again and check your answer with mine. But I'm sure of that your answer will be correct. Okay, welcome back. So here he asks about the beach. So we will make fraction. How many students prefer it? 150. So we will write 150 over the total, and that's 250, right? First of all, we can cancel the zeros together and we will get 15 over 25. Can we make it more simple? Yeah, we can. By make it what? Come on. Yeah, excellent. By make it divide 5. 15 divide 5 equal 3 and 25 divide 5 equal 5. Super. That's great. Let's see the next one. Here for exercise 3 and 4, use the following information. So we will use this table to answer these questions, okay? The first question here, he asks you, how many people were served? So here he asks you a question. If you have a better not, and some said yes, and another said no. So we have 52% said yes, they have a bet, and 48 don't have. So if I want to know how many people, so all what I have, just make plus. So that will be 52 plus 48. And that's equal what? 0. Sorry for that, let me just raise it. And tell me, 52 plus 48 equal what? Yeah, super, 100. Okay, now he asks you, what is the probability that a person on a bet? On a bet it means he said yes, right? So that will be 52 over 100. Tell me, can we make it more simple or we can't? Come on, tell me. Yeah, we can make it more simple. How that? By make it divide 2. So I will make it divide 2. 52 divide 2 equal what? 26. Super. And 100 divide 2 equal 50. If you can't make it more simple, we can. By make it divide what? Divide 2. And if you make it divide 2 again, that will be 13 over 25. And that's the simplest form. Okay? Or you could make it at the first time 52 over 100. You could make it divide 4 and you will get 13 over 25 too. Okay? Now حبايبي, we finish our session. I hope you understand the lesson. So bye and see you next time إن شاء الله. Bye.